ಇಂಟೀರಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಕಡೆ ಇದಿದೆ. There you see that? Yes. Bye. I'm looking for a laptop, probably a refurbished one, which can be useful for my publishing work. I just wanted to know if a dedicated graphic card is must and the best place to buy one. Thank you. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಈ ಥರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಸಾಕಲ್ವಾ ಈ ಥರ ವೀಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕದು? ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ದಮ್ಮ. ಸೂಪರ್. I found a useful thing, very useful one. So these are markers, cute markers, very cute. Many shades. Hope I'll make the best use of this. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಕ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಇಯರಿಂಗ್, because mine was broken. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ದೆ. Just chill out. Oh, yes. There's a dog. Oh, we're enjoying. This is very nice. Where art thou? Where art thou? Where art thou? This is the promise of God. This is His reflection sent from the Savior above. Showers of blessings, showers of blessings raining. Mercy drops from the sun falling, for the showers we plead. Kasai. See what's there? Ali. There.
The globe.
No, there.
The trees are swinging. The leaves are being rustled by the wind. The birds are chirping, rejoicing in the new day.
Okay, ಹಾಗೆ ನೋಡುತ್ತಿರುವೆ ನನ್ನ ಅಕ್ಕನೇ, ಯಾಕೆ ಹಾಗೆ ನೋಡುತ್ತಿರುವೆ ನನ್ನ ಅಕ್ಕೋ. ನಾವು ಹೋಗಿ ಒಂದು ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಕೊಂಡು ಬರುವ, ಬೇಗ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗು ನನ್ನ ಅಕ್ಕ. Who's that? Who's watching?
அக்கா.
தம்பி என்னப்பா என்னப்பா பண்ற? தம்பி என்ன பண்றீங்க?
My eyes are watching you.
ஓ தம்பி வாட்ச் பண்றா.
Watching you.
தம்பி அல்ல குழந்தை.
My eyes are watching you.